clapperboard.
Okay.
Right, okay, one reproduction switch for my Honda. Went to fit this today, but I just wanted to double check on the wiring because the colours of the original wiring don't match those of the ones that supplied, or certainly 3 or 4 don't match. Just go through them quickly for you. I've obviously got a red and yellow, which is that one. I have a female connected one, which obviously is this one, so we can eliminate that one. We then decided what we think. What was the other one, Jack? Can't remember now. Was that one there, which is a black and a red? I do have a black and I assume that's red, although it looks like a brown, doesn't it, or red?
Maroon.
Don't know. Okay, but let's say assume it's that one. That leaves me then 4 wires. I have a brown and blue, I think is, which whether that's that one or not, I've absolutely no idea. I can't see it being that one. I don't really know. I wouldn't like to say it's that one or not, but that leaves me these 3, and the only other 3 that I have are the plain black wires, which I looked on YouTube, and as far as I'm concerned, they're the live feed ones, I think, on Honda. These clearly aren't all black. 1 is, 2 aren't. What I don't want to do is obviously wire it in where I think that's correct, and obviously short everything out. I'm pretty sure this has come across before. Whether this switch is supposed to be the exact one for this particular model, or one that fits various other models and have different color codes for their wiring systems, I don't know. Can anybody help me and put me in the right direction to let me know if I'm close to being right or completely wrong, or whatever the situation is? Cheers, thank you.